this out. I got a new toy. Wow, check this out. This is my new incubator I just picked up for hatching. It's the Deluxe Incubator, as you guys can see. My main reason for wanting to pick up a new one, I was looking for an incubator that would hold temperature better, that actually had a fan kit in it, and told me what the humidity was. So I'm gonna do a comparison of my old one and show you this newer model, the perks that it has versus the other one, and we're gonna plug them in. We're gonna see if it's quieter, if it's noisier, so it can give you guys an idea of what you're getting when you're buying your new incubator. While doing our comparison, I wanted to remind you guys of my older incubator, which you would have seen me using in my how to hatch chick eggs videos, and I'll put links down below for you. So this is my older one that we've had for a while. It is just your basic still air incubator. So it does not have a fan to actually circulate the air, and it does not have a digital thermometer. So as you saw in my videos, I actually put a digital thermometer in this so I could keep track of how warm this incubator was getting. On this one, you actually had to use the dial right here to make it cooler or warmer. So it was kind of a guessing game. So you definitely want to let this warm up for at least 24 hours before you even put any eggs in it to make sure your temperature was good. Now, inside this one, as you can tell, here is just the heating element and the motor. This does not have the fan like my new one over here. That's what actually will force the air. Now, my older one, I did purchase separately the egg turner, and that was almost as much as the incubator. When I saw this one, the Deluxe, it actually comes with all of it plus more, so I'm really excited to give this a try. It also has the moats down below for water. It doesn't have as many though. It's only got 4 in here, while this one has actually 6. Now, this one has a metal grate, being an older model. Yes, it has sharp edges, so I didn't care for that as much. This one actually has a plastic one, as you can see in here. They're not sharp at all. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get both of these plugged in and let you hear the difference between them, if one's quieter than the other. I haven't plugged the new one in yet, so this is gonna be kind of an exciting test for me as well. We're getting ready to plug the new one in, and I wanted to show you guys some of the cords in here and how to hook them up. So in the bottom of the new one, there is a cord for the egg turner. They actually give you a little slot to actually run the cord through so your lid can sit and seal down. So we've got that, and now we're gonna get this top on. It does have 2 handles on the sides, and you'll see here's the cutout, so you'll know which way to actually place the lid, so you know no extra air is gonna get in there. So here's the cord for the top, for the actual fan and the motor for the heating elements. And it actually has a 2-prong here, and you'll see on the cord. We'll just pop it right in there. Okay, and we're gonna get this plugged in and take a look at it. All right, guys, it's plugged in. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it definitely is a lot quieter than my old model. I'm going to be quiet for a second now and let you guys just hear it. I don't know if you can hear that just little bit of hum. That is it. So as you guys can see on here, we've got our humidity reading, We've got our temperature reading, what it is currently, and we've got to set the temperature down, set the temperature up, or just to set it. So to set this, to see what temperature you want this to maintain at, just hit set. This is going to be set at 99.5. If you want it less or more, depending on what you're incubating, you just hold the set button for 3 seconds until it actually starts to flash. And as you can see, it's flashing. So at that time, you could lower it down, you could raise it up. So we're just gonna leave it at 99.5, and it's as easy as that. So now we're gonna scoot over and we're gonna plug in this older model to see what it sounds like. Okay, the older model is plugged in, and Allie, if you wanna get closer, and I'll let you guys hear this one. It's a little bit more noisier. Definitely not as quiet as the other one. After doing my comparison, I'm definitely excited to start using my new Deluxe Incubator. It is going to save me a lot of stress and a lot of worry about temperatures, humidity. So I'm looking forward to getting a batch going. I'm, for the first time, going to try to hatch some baby turkeys. I'm on the search for fertile eggs, so you guys stay tuned. I will share those videos as we're starting this process again. This incubator is going to be awesome, and we'll explain the first time I use it with my eggs in there, how long to plug it in for, how long should I wait before I put my eggs in there, how much water do I put in. So we will go through all of that. I hope this video helps you guys in deciding which incubator to choose, to buy. I feel the quality of this is really good. It's really comparable to the old style, just a lot more new features that are going to be easier to use, and hopefully a better judge of what our temps are, what our humidity is, so we get higher hatch rates. I thank you guys for watching my video, and I'm excited to share my journey of hatching turkey eggs. Have a nice day.